Thanks, Haley. Little bit of luck on our side, and fantastic to see elephants again. We've gone way too long without seeing elephants as far as I'm concerned. Now, this is most likely the mother and calf that we're looking at there. Calf just a bit over a year old. This other individual with them could be a her calf from a couple of years ago, about 3.5, 4 years old. Could also be another one from the herd. I'm not quite sure. Elephant obviously very, very close in their family structures, but these could be directly or indirectly related, the bigger calf to that female. She's still lactating and they're eating bark, so I'm going on there about the relations, but that long piece of bark that she's carrying away now, she's just stripped that from a knobthorn, one of the acacias. And that's interesting in itself, considering that there's so much grass around at the moment, so much green foliage, all the rain we've had. Shows you that they're probably eating this for some mineral content, maybe just some of the tannins and other minerals they can get from it. There you can see where they've stripped it off, and that one's still busy trying to get more of it. Trunk sure is a handy thing for an elephant. One of my favorite parts of an elephant, that tail side. Now, I've told the story many times before, but it reminds me of a nursery rhyme. That elephant's the funniest animal out there because they've got a tail in the front and a tail in the back. Seems the flies and the bugs are even bugging the elephants. Now, coming back to the bark that they're eating, like I said, they're eating a lot of green stuff at the moment, but maybe there's a reason why they want the bark. But also keep in mind that at the moment, because of all the water in the soil, all your trees will also be very, very full of water. That bark will literally be swollen with moisture and water, so it could also be a reason why they're eating it. Very lucky to have seen these three. The other two have moved off and I can't even see them from where we're sitting. Presume there's some more elephant further into that thick bush, and if it wasn't for these guys we would not have spotted them at all. This one doing is playing around more than anything really. Something's biting it. Probably try and use the tusk there. Again, this is still a youngish elephant, but it would have seen adults do it before. Would have learned from them. Something really is irritating it on the skin there. I can't see anything, but obviously something is bugging it. Oh, look at that big piece of bark. Well, we found them, and now we can just follow them. Hopefully they'll take us to more.